Hey guys, how are you doing? After updating to iOS 17.2, some users are noticing slow charging problem with their iPhone and iPad. For me, as you can see from the screenshot, at 6:27 p.m. I started charging my iPhone and around 6:48 only up to 77% charged. This haven't happened before. Even though I have optimized the charging feature on, it normally charges a bit faster according to my usage. I follow the charging practice that I have suggested in a video to maintain my battery health. I'll leave a link to that video in the description and in the first comment. If you are new to iPhone and looking for a way to learn the charging pattern that will help you to maintain your iPhone battery health, then you can try those steps. And again, next day you can see that my phone is at 30% at 2:40 p.m. and then I started charging. Then around 3:24 the charge was at 83%. So a simple troubleshooting step I did after updating to iOS 17.2 and noticing this slow charging problem is a restart by simply pressing the volume up button and the side button and then slide to power off. So do a simple restart of your iPhone, and I have checked with Twitter, some users also confirmed that their iPhone and iPad also experiencing similar slow charging problem after iOS 17.2 update. Mine is iPhone 15 Plus, and you can see confirmation shows that the iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Plus users are also experiencing it, and one other iPad user also experiencing slow charging issue after updating to iOS 17.2. Normally, when we have the optimized charging feature on, the charging speed difference will get to effect after 80%. Unless there is a sudden temperature increase during the charging speed due to the fast charging from 0 to 80%, and during that time, to control the temperature, iPhone automatically reduces the charging speed. Other than that, the charging should happen perfectly faster when we use the 20-watt adapter or the phone is connected to the computer via USB. So in both cases, the charging should be faster, just like I shared it in the screenshot. So if you're also experiencing similar slow charging problem after updating your iOS software, do try the basic restart, and that will definitely be helpful. As a second troubleshooting step, if the restart didn't help, observe it for 1 or 2 days. Then you may perform an all settings reset to flush out any bugs related to the system settings change that is causing such slow charging issue. Make sure you're also using an original or M5 certified cable or a branded USB-C to USB-C cable if you're using iPhone 15 models. So settings, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, and then perform reset all settings once, and then try charging your iPhone. If the basic restart didn't help after observing for 2 days, you're still experiencing the slow charging problem. I hope this tip helped you to fix the issue. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.